What's the structure today, Alfred?
The bias for today is bearish, sir. Last night in the New York session, we had a change of character to the downside.
Find me an area of interest.
Found, sir. Distribution range from London yesterday before the heavy set-off is your area of interest.
Are there any targets for today?
Asia's low is untaken, sir. Yesterday's low is also untaken. These make for great targets.
Desk's all yours.
Your towel, sir? Sorry to interrupt, sir. The New York session just opened. Price is heading towards London highs, which is slightly below your area of interest. I forecast we will reach that area very soon, perhaps in around the next 30 minutes, sir.
Thank you, Alfred.
Get down, get down. Get down, get down. Get down, get down.
Price has reached the level, sir.
Okay, just wait for the confirmation.
Yes. "15 minutes is bearish. We are now in our area of interest. All targets are clear. We now have a lower time frame confirmation. Should I execute, sir?" Trade is now live, sir.
And that's the trade set. Alfred's got the desk, and honestly, this is just a normal Tuesday for me now. But it wasn't always like this. Before I had the system, I was Alfred every morning doing manually what you just watched him do. Until I built something that changed all of that.
So before the indicator, the rules that I have coded into the indicator, I had to manually map and mark myself. So that leads to 15 minutes perhaps before the session, trying to mark out all the different time frames, highs and lows, double checking them, triple checking them, make sure they're right, which is again, just an utter waste of time. Sometimes also led to human error. There were situations where I missed winning trades because I didn't catch the right high or the right low. Then I looked back in hindsight, or maybe even someone else, a different member of mine, took the trade and I missed it because I didn't map the high and low properly. The indicator is based off of my personal rules that I have created. So the indicator wouldn't be born without the rules. And trading before the rules that I had was not trading, it was just gambling. I didn't have a playbook. I didn't have a data-backed system. I didn't have data-backed processes like what you define as a high and a low. What's actually an order block? What do you actually determine is liquidity that's worth waiting for, that's not worth waiting for? The mental calmness of just knowing that it's already done. I don't need to think about it. I don't need to doubt it. It's done. The rules are the rules, and it's done it for me. I know that there's not going to be any mistakes. I know that there's not going to be human error. So the time, which ends up being more money as well because you stop making mistakes and you catch all the right moves, and then the confidence that comes from knowing that it's correct. What if I didn't have to mark the highs and lows? What if I didn't have to draw the order blocks and map the liquidity and draw the right fair value gaps? I didn't have to mark the session boxes myself. What if I took my rules, I put it into a tool that automates things for me? I get time back, I get more consistent results, and I get more confidence. And so that just made the natural next step obvious for me to build the indicator.
Now, while I've been sitting here telling you all of this, Alfred's been at my desk this whole time, and I think he has an update for me.
Here's the update, sir.
Okay. Will that be all?
For now.
Get away. Get a good job with the paper. Okay.
Trade has been closed, sir. First target hit, partial has been taken, and final target reached. Will that be all?
For now.
You said very well.
Cash with both hands and make a stash. A new car, caviar for stock. Daydream, think about me, football.
Here is today's profit, sir.
Thank you, Everett.
You're up $23,000.
Not a bad day.
Would there be anything else I can do for you?
That we all. Thank you, Alfred.
Take care now.
Well, that was a monster of a trade, and I'm not the only one who caught that exact trade. In fact, many of my members inside of my inner circle also caught the exact same trade. Now, I have Alfred. That makes my life 10 times easier. You don't need your Alfred. In fact, what you can have is the SMC engine, which is pretty much the exact same as having your own Alfred. You see, in here, you can see that the indicator clearly tells you the direction. 15-minute bearish, sir. So Alfred knows my exact trading strategy, and he understands the exact trading rules that I follow. And so he's able to just execute for me. Now I want to give you my exact trading strategy, my exact rules to follow, and the indicator that goes with it that maps everything else for you so you don't make any mistakes. I created this with the intention to use it for myself, to make trading for myself easier so I don't waste time marking out highs and lows, and I don't have any human error. Now for you, how it will help you is that maybe you don't actually always get the market structure points correct. Maybe you hesitate, you don't have confidence whether you got them correct. Or maybe you simply just don't know what to use for market structure full stop. Well, the indicator does it for you. It marks out the highs and lows using my specific criteria. So again, I have Alfred. Alfred does everything for me. You have the SMC engine. SMC engine does everything for you. Market structure, order blocks, liquidity, daily bias, plus as a bonus, I'm gonna throw in my actual step-by-step trading strategy over 2 years of verified data. Every single trade that I took over 2 years, actual execution on video explaining why I took the trade, all the logic behind it, and everything. It is literally ridiculous. If you want that entire bundle, click the link below, and really hope you enjoy it.
Starman waiting in the sky. He'd like to come and meet us, but he thinks he'd blow our minds. There's a star.